Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we are going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and Solana in that order. We're going to look at the charts and we're going to dive into it and see what's happening based on the charts and if we're going to go higher up in these moves or possibly, go a little bit lower. Okay, so right now we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily. Okay. Now we're still above this 200-day moving average, and I noticed some of the comments I got on social media. People were getting confused with the 200-day, thinking that it was a 20 EMA. I don't know, but this is the 200-day. I'll show you guys right here. Look, 200-day. This is the 200-day moving average. Okay. This right here is the 50-day moving average. All right, guys. So when the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, okay, if the 50 keeps going and the 200 comes down, this right here would be a golden cross. Back here, this was a death cross, okay, because the 50 came down underneath the 200. So the 200 came up and the 50 came down. That was a death cross. Now we're looking at a golden cross, guys. So I don't want you guys getting confused or anything, or thinking that it's a different moving average. That's what we use for moving averages to look for golden crosses. So yes, 200-day, and I want to see us get a daily candle close above this 200-day moving average, which is right around 46,000. So if we close above 46,000 in the next half hour, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I still think there's more upside. Can we get a little dip? Yes. But, in the end, I think we're going to go higher. We also got a little pattern here. Okay. So we have a little pattern that I noticed looking at the 4-hour. And we're going to draw it up here. Okay. We're going to go here, here. Okay. And then we're going to do something like this right here. Okay, I probably went a little bit farther on this line, but you guys get the point. All right, so in this pattern here, guys, all right, what we're looking for is a breakout out of this pattern to the downside or the upside. That's what's going to give us where our next move is going. So what we want to see here is a 4-hour or at least an hour, and if we do get an hour candle closing out of this pattern, the next candle, we do not want to see it falling in this. And this goes for a 4-hour too. We don't want to see a candle coming out of here closing and then falling back in this, because then that would be bearish. Okay, guys. Same thing down here to the downside. If we get a candle closing and we come back up in this pattern, that would be bullish. If it closes and gets rejected here and comes back down, then that would obviously be bearish. Okay. What we want to see is a candle close, then open, and then continuation. We can bounce off this and go, but as long as we get continuation, that's what we're looking for in this pattern. So this pattern is going to dictate where the next move is on Bitcoin. We're either going to, it's either going to break down or break to the upside. That's what we're going to be looking for in this pattern. Also, we're going to be checking out where the target would be based on this move. So that's something that I'm going to do right now. I'm just trying to get rid of some of these lines here. Okay, so that's rid of all that. All right. So let's see what we got here, guys. We come start from here to the bottom of this move right here. And then we go from here. Now, depending on where this breaks out, okay, right about, did we do this right? Let's look again. Here to here. Yeah, it seems right. Okay. I would be looking for a target right around, wait a minute, did I do this line right? Let's see. Actually, no, I didn't. Okay, because we want to touch the bottom of this. So let me clean that up. Sorry about that, guys. Now let me do this right for you, because I want to make sure this is right for you. Okay. I don't want to make any mistakes for you guys. All right. So if we break out around this area, then yeah, I would look to get back up into this spot. Now we do have some resistance right around 49,600 area. So that's where I'd be looking for maybe a little pullback. But yeah, so this is a nice pattern. So let's see if we break to the upside. Let's see if this pattern holds. But that's what I'm looking for. And to the downside, we would obviously be the opposite and fall back into this range where we would be looking anywhere from the 43,500 to 42,500 area. Okay, guys. So keep that in mind. Breaking up or down on Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Okay, let's see what we got on the daily. Daily, we're hanging out in our box. We kind of hit our yesterday's high. We came very close. We're a couple dollars off. So let's see what happens. Let's go to the 4 hour. See if we see anything on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour chart. I mean, the guy, I talked about us going sideways here. We're definitely going sideways. That's for sure. Basically, guys, we want to break yesterday's high for more upside. Do we have any kind of negative pattern on the 4 hour? It's not looking good. It's not looking good. That's for sure. See if we can draw something up. I mean, that's already breaking trend. Maybe. It's already breaking trend. Maybe a little dip, and then a go. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe a little dip, then go. So we do have this little triangle here that we could come out of, but it's not looking good right now. We want to see this 4 hour candle close up in here before 8 o'clock. So let's keep an eye on that. I'll try to get this video out as soon as I can for you guys because we don't want to see a candle close and then get rejected and then head down here. Sorry about these lines. This must have been from yesterday's video. So what we don't want to see is this close. And if it does, we want to see it go back up into this pattern for continuation. If not, it gets rejected and maybe, more downside. And maybe we can get a nice little bounce off of this trend line here that we have. Okay, so you can draw up that trend line. And maybe as long as we hold this trend is our friend, guys. So as long as we hold this trend right here, we could still bounce and continue to the upside. So that's what I would be looking for. And to the upside, we're looking anywhere from 3650 to 3700 area. That's what I'd be looking for. And then, of course, if we break that, we're going to go higher. But that's what I'm looking for Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum's it's okay. It's not bearish until we break this longer trend here, in my opinion. And when I mean break it, not wick it like here. I mean a candle closing and opening and getting rejected. Okay, it's very important. All right, so let's keep that in mind. Cardano played out almost like exactly as I predicted in our other video. I mean, we got the bounce here. We came out of the pattern. Okay, that was a nice move, guys. What did you guys? If you took this trade, um, that was a nice 10% little gainer, right? Now, if you guys watch yesterday's video, I always say 1 or 2 cents. Okay, take your profit because we had a target of $2.64 and we got to $2.63. So always take your profit a little bit before. So, which some of you guys, it looks like some of you guys did. But guys, look at this. We came out, we got rejected. We came back and retested exactly how I drew it up. Now we got to get the more upside. Okay, so that's what I'm hoping for here. We continue to curl right here and go to the upside. Okay, because in my pattern, I had us coming down, coming up, getting rejected here, coming down, retesting the trend and then going for more upside. We are getting the curl. Let's see if this plays out. Let's see. We could draw another trend here, okay, because I see this other trend right here. So now let's see if we can stay above that trend and go higher, okay? If we do fall down in this trend, I would just look for a little minor pullback to maybe 239, 239 area. That's where I would look for maybe a bounce, okay? So keep that in mind. And that's what I'm looking for on on Cardano. And so far, so good, guys. Let's look at Matic. Matic, God, how many times has it done this to us, right? It broke our trend, and I told you guys sideways movement could be possible before we break. Um, yeah, it broke the trend. We came back down. I believe this was on a 4 hour. I had this. Let's look. Yeah, I had it on the 4 hour. So what happened was this was a 4 hour trend, guys, and we didn't get the candle confirmation that we wanted because we came up and we fell back in it on the next candle, and then we currently are getting rejected on it right now. So let's see if we can get a 4 hour candle close and then possibly an open and come out of this and actually come out of this with some fire. You could see that we hit this previous high right here at 145. Okay, so let's see if this purple. I'm going to draw a purple box here for you guys because we definitely want to break this kind of trend here, right here. We want to break this right here. Okay. All right, to look for more of this upside around 153, 160 area. So let's see if that happens, guys, on Matic. So let's see if we can get a 4 hour candle close. That'll be nice. Let's see. Sorry about the phone. Okay, and then Solana. Um, Solana, we had a nice, guys, we got to the high yesterday. That was pretty interesting. We hit our high. We started folding down. After my video, I said, we're going higher, and we did. We went higher. We got rejected. So now I'm looking for maybe a bounce. Well, we could see this could have been the bounce right here, actually. Looking at this, I mean, we have plenty of touch points here. So this could be the bounce. But I'm also looking at this 173 to 170 area. Now, if that doesn't hold, 164 to 161 area. And then if that doesn't hold, then we're looking for 143 to 135. Okay. But we could see a bounce here. So let's keep an eye on it. Let's see if there's any trend. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour chart. Okay. Okay. So we do have something here. Let's see. Let's draw a little trend here. So what I would be looking for is a break above this trend. You can see they wicked us here. Didn't get the candle close. We want to see the candles closing. So this move is coming to an end. So we're either going to break down here soon or go to the upside. It's going to be within the next couple hours. So keep an eye on that, guys. Keep an eye on either breaking to the upside here, boom, getting a candle close going, or going down farther in this pattern and end up breaking it, and then maybe getting the bounce where we're looking for our bounce around 173, 174 even, guys. Sometimes they front run you, so you got to be careful. So sometimes, 174 could be a possibility as well. So just keep an eye on that. Don't get too greedy. But I think that's it for the charts for right now. I'm still bullish on everything. It looks like Bitcoin's gonna get our close on the daily above 146. And guys, this could be a big trap, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. There was a lot of Solana. There was a lot of coins. Even SHIB, guys. SHIB did great, guys. I hope you guys got SHIB. I hope you guys. I'm gonna put a link in Webull. Get your free shares. They're also now giving out free SHIB, okay, for people that sign up. So, it doesn't take much, guys. It's funny because I asked Google how much, and this is crazy. I thought it was pretty funny. I just did it for the heck of it. I asked Google what the price target of SHIB would be by the end of this year, and Google told me $1, guys, $1. Now, I think you can buy like 600,000 shares for like $5 or $10. So, I mean, you can literally get this stuff for free. And if it does go to $1, I mean, you guys, even they said either by this year or 2025, even if you got to wait, okay, if you got to wait till 2025, 2 or 3 years from now, or 3 years from now, or 4 years from now, whatever, guys, you make $600,000 on $5 investment or $10 investment. I mean, it's a no brainer. So listen, I'm going to put a link to Webull in there. Guys, make sure you guys go to my Webull, get the free shares. Then all you have to do is deposit $100. You could take the $100 back out if you want to, sell those shares. Now, you do have to wait, I think it's a couple business days for everything to clear before you can sell it, before your money gets transferred in and everything else. But once you get cleared, you can get your money back out and just sell those shares and buy SHIB with it. And also, if you refer people, you get $150 Apple stock for every 3 people you refer. Also, you get, for every 1 person you refer, you get 3 more shares plus $5 worth of SHIB. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. Okay. Now, if SHIB does go crazy and, like I said, goes to $1, I mean, some of you guys can make millions of dollars here for free, guys. So I'll put a link to Webull in the description. Make sure you sign up. Make sure you get that SHIB, because SHIB has been doing pretty good for us. So that's something that we're keeping an eye on. And guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy it with your hard-earned money, just because it is a meme coin. This is something that you can just get for free and hold on to it, not care about it. And if it goes up and you guys become millionaires, I just want you guys to say, hey, Moondog, thank you very much for coming up with this idea. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I love all you guys. I want all you guys to make money. Hopefully we close above this 200-day moving average, which we're getting very close to it. We got about 10 minutes left. So I'm going to try to get this video out to you guys. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to load. We might see a little downside on Ethereum here and then a bounce, but I wouldn't be scared unless we get a close under this trend, which is right around 32. And there's no guarantee. We might not even come back down there, guys. We might wake back up, or we might get another candle close and go right back up in here. So just keep an eye on it. Nothing's guaranteed for this thing to just drop until it's confirmed. Okay, so wait for the confirmation on that. Cardano, same thing, all of them. Okay, we're going to wait for the breakout here where we get a 4-hour candle open and close. And if we do go more sideways in this move, it's not a big deal, guys. Don't panic. Solana, we got rejected. Let's see if it comes back down here. Maybe gets another touch at, if it holds up again at 180. Then maybe we can see another bump to the upside. If not, and it gets a candle closing, then we're going to look for this 173. That would be my first place to look for a bounce, guys. So listen, much love. And that is 173, guys. I'm just kidding, because I always say $1. It's just, I don't know why. But I do sometimes. All right, so listen, guys, much love. I think I covered everything here, everything we need to cover. I'm going to put a link to Webull in the description for you guys. Make sure you guys sign up, get that free SHIB. And, you never know. It's a lotto ticket, and it's free, so who cares, right? Listen, much love to you guys. Also, for you guys that are following me on TradingView here, I did get banned for life, guys. I am banned for life for posting on TradingView. Okay, I don't know why they banned me, but they banned, so I'm banned. That's the way it goes. So, guys, and they do shadow ban me on YouTube as well. So you guys got to make sure you guys hit the bell, okay? Hit the all so you guys get my videos, because you can even, look up my name and everything and look at my videos, and you might not see this video because you didn't hit the bell and hit the all. So it's very important, and you got to subscribe. You got to subscribe and do all that, okay? I don't want you guys missing my videos and then, coming to me later, Moondog, what happened? Oh, you said this, and it was a video from 2 days ago. All right? So listen, guys, much love to you guys. Let's keep an eye on all this stuff. Let's see what happens here with these moves. It could get very interesting here soon. But yeah, so much love, and I will update you guys if I have to. And one of my alarm goes off late night, I will. But much love to you guys, and peace out.